Today we're going to unbox this package, so stay tuned so you can watch. We are going to open this box. You ready? Excited?
Yeah.
Seth's been really waiting and very excited to open this box. So we got this box. It's a designer kit with Chalk Couture, and we're going to open up this box and see what is inside for our craft. So we're doing crafts today, right?
Yep.
All right. So let's take a look at, how do we open this? Challenge number 1. Do you see how to open it? There you go. Pull that open. Oh, another box. Okay, here we go.
That's why this is heavy.
Oh, okay, so it's a prettier looking box now, but now we still gotta open that up. Well, there we go. Let's show everyone. So this is the box. It's all plastic wrapped inside, and we're gonna check out what's inside, right? So let's take it open. So in the box, you get a Chalk Couture package. Ooh, it's the magazine catalog that we can look online. Mom's already looked online and already ordered stuff, but this has you see that? All the different transfers. This is, in case anyone's watching, Chalk Couture does chalk transfers, which we will be making this afternoon. You excited for that? Seth really wants to craft. And this is one of them. What can you think we could do with this? I get your creative juices going. I think I'm already thinking about ornaments for this guy. We can also do this on like a wood palette or something. Blocks, yeah, we can make blocks.
Because there's like square shapes.
And what's this one? Oh, this is cool. This is a Santa transfer. This will be fun to do something with. And, this is in case people want to run this and make, these are Chalk Couture branding, if they want to do a business out of it. But you know me, we sell real estate and we are making this for hobbies, right? So I just really wanted this for the discounts. It was crazy. Oh, and here's some more transfers. What does that one say?
Stay cozy.
Stay cozy. What should we, I've seen this on little onesies, and we have some in our storage room. So there's lots of fun things we can do with this. And all is calm and all is bright. So that's a fun one as well too. So in the package, there's also some it's like a startup contents guide. Okay, do you want to pull out what's next, Seth? What else do you see in here? This is a package. It says chalkable chips. Oh, you know what this is?
What?
This is a surface. Remember those little things we saw that we could maybe do ornaments with or something?
Yeah.
I bet you we could put it on here. See? So they're little surfaces like this. So the thing about Chalk Couture is that you can actually put those transfers on, and then if you want to change it up and it's not Christmas anymore, you can get rid of it and we could do another transfer on top. So it's pretty awesome. There's quite a bit of surfaces to work with there. What else? Do you want to pull the next one out? What else is in here? Squeegee. Okay, we need that. Okay, grab me the next thing. And show the camera that. The camera's right there. So that is another surface. Do you want to open it? That's another surface to also do stuff on. Here is a apron. Yeah, I need this because I usually get stuff all over me. I think I still have paint from last week when I was doing my stand. So, ooh, what is it? Yeah, so we could do two-sided, or we could do like this too, right?
Picture.
Yep, so we could put this maybe in our house somewhere. And then, look, here's a full-sized apron. Look, I'm all official now. There, it's kind of huge actually. It's like a big long dress. Okay, so what else is in there, Seth?
Paper.
These are cards. They're thank you cards. So in case anyone's buying stuff, we can use those as thank you cards. It says cute matters. Okay, what else can we find in there? Oh, this is the chalk paste. So we've got red, blue, what's it called? Oops, it's called Ocean Mist. And they're kind of like, they're kind of, do you see it? It's like, we're gonna have to mix a little bit of water in here. So these are chalk pastes, not the ink. The paste can go onto these surfaces and then you can change them out afterwards so that you don't have to have the same thing. So there's all these different colors. Is there anything else underneath here? Oh, yep. Do not bend. Inspiration inside. Well, as I'm doing that, do you want to pull out what else is there?
Another box.
Oh, I think, what does it say on that top? Oh, look, it's a transfer. You are beautiful.
White frame.
Oh, it's a frame. So let's move this aside. Take the stickers here. Open that up. See what's in here. So this is all in the starter kit, which is pretty awesome because, oh no, if I didn't wreck it. It's way better than just going and buying everything on its own. Oh, I kind of scratched it, but this is the back of the board. Wow, look, it's a frame. So actually, this is quite perfect in here. And then we can use these colors to do this. So if you want to see how to use this, if you want to see how you do the chalk transfers, we will do another video to show you how it's all done. But this was what was in this fancy box. So if you're interested in knowing more about this, let me know. If you want to craft with me virtually, let me know as well. We can do some fun things that way. I tend to like to craft. And now with it getting cold and a little bit blizzardy, it's perfect weather for crafting. So thanks so much for tuning in.